Guys, you know I love little tricks and I always love to use a toothbrush. It's inexpensive and it's a really great way of detailing the hair. So I'll spray my toothbrush with my favorite hairspray, the cult favorite, and just dress away flyaways into place. So another one of my tricks that I always like to use is to use the hairspray on the hair. So flyaways here, as you can see, they're always a nightmare. But I'll just mist them with hairspray and I'll use a curling iron on hot and I'll just push down those little flyaway hairs and it literally locks them into place and they won't move at all now. I always like to use my hairspray directly to the brush as opposed to directly to the hair. It helps to spread a really even amount of hairspray throughout the hair and also for me gives me more control. Just brush through the hair. This is an amazing hairspray, especially for color treated hair because it's not going to dull it down. So you get a beautiful glossy controlled shape.